Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to replace a battery in your Apple AirTag. So the replacement battery that we're going to need is a lithium 3-volt, one of these CR2032s, and I'll post a link down in the description to some options for getting these replacement batteries on Amazon if you'd like to check those out. But what we want to do to open up our AirTag, what we're going to do is push down on the AirTag on both sides and then rotate it, and then it comes off pretty easily. And we can see in here we have one of those CR2032 batteries, so we can easily just remove that. And when you put your new battery in, just make sure that the bottom side of it is down when you're pushing it in, that the shiny upside of the face is pointed up. Then we take the top cap and line up these 3 inputs here into the 3 inputs that are on the AirTag. So push it right in there, and then we can turn it clockwise, push it in a little bit, turn it clockwise. That should lock it up and it should be good to go. And it'll make a little noise when you're doing this, and that's just indicating to us that we're getting power and that the battery that we put in is working appropriately. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the steps on how to change a battery in your Apple AirTag. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.